Vocabulary quiz, set 3. This quiz is going to be 10 points, so each question is worth half a point. The first part is matching. So you're going to match the words to the definitions by typing or writing the letters in the blanks. I'll read through the word list and then through the definitions. Pause the video as you need to. Thaw, attractive, vanity, indicate, response, burden, previous, consent, urgent, shabby, qualify, dependable. A, capable of being relied on, trustworthy. B, coming before in time or order. C, pleasing to the eye, mind, or senses. D, worn or faded from use or wear. E, to provide or have the necessary skill or knowledge to do a particular job or activity. F, the quality of being stuck up, having too much pride in one's looks. G, something that is carried, a load. H, to melt or cause to melt. I, to agree to or approve. J, a reply or answer. K, needing or demanding immediate action. L, to point to or point out. Part 2, fill in the blank. Directions, fill in the blanks using the word bank below. In our word bank, we have thaw, qualify, consent, burden, shabby, vanity, previous, attractive, dependable, response, indicate, urgent. Number 1. A coach needs to be blank and on time. Number 2. The flowers looked very blank in the yard. Number 3. You must be 16 to blank for a driving permit. 4. The teacher waited for a blank from the student. 5. The child's coat was too blank for the harsh winter. 6. The fire department answered the blank call for help. 7. Please allow the meat to blank before cooking it. 8. Each student needs the parents blank to play sports. 9. Please blank on the form your reason for being late. 10. If you turn to the blank page, you will find the answer. 11. I will not blank you with a lot of homework. And 12. Sometimes a person's blank can be very annoying.